Muted.
Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the AM Volatility Report reminder. None of this should be considered investment advice. Consult your financial professional. Options have risk. Hey, we've got a new product, the Option Wheel. This is going to be a educational trade watching service where we sell puts to get into stocks that we like and then run covered calls over it, and then vice versa. It's going to be a little bit of a different twist because we're going to add a little bit of volatility analysis into what we're doing. So it should be neat. I put out my very first trade yesterday. So right now we will be putting out an email on how you can join, and you should also see a link to it above this post. Now, let's talk about the market. Well, you can see we are down. We're down about 9. VIX back above 12. The Dow's down, the Nasdaq's down, the RUT's down. Kind of everything is down some. Well, what's going on? We got the Fed. We've got mergers and acquisitions. We got Euro. We have just a situation where kind of everything is moving. And with that, vol is up a little bit. If you take a look at VIX, VIX is up over 12. VIX futures are up a touch. You got the April future back above 14, back to kind of where it opened yesterday. May still above 15. So you got some things moving around. All right, they're not quite where they need to be, but things are moving around. And today looks like a day where things could fall off for a little while. Financials are down pretty significantly. Goldman's down again. You've got JP Morgan down again now. Doesn't mean that they're not going to turn around eventually, but they're down. Some of the retail stocks look okay. But what's driving things? Well, let's take a look. Oil is down more. That's something that could drive things. It really can. Not significantly lower, because for every loser in oil, there tends to be a couple winners. But oil tends to be a big part of our economy right now. Bond prices are up, and that's never a great thing. And your gold, it continues to just die. That might have been its last great gasp, that run back to 20. I think gold is going to head back below single digits. I really do believe that. So that's a name where, thanks for playing. See you later. It's not only broke its 50-day, but it stayed there, and I think we'll be heading lower. So today it looks like a day where you can see S&P is down some, VIX is up, and it makes some sense. Tomorrow is a VIX expiration. Actually, if you look, today might actually be a VIX expiration because of Good Friday. Yeah, today is actually VIX expiration. So we should be adding tomorrow the week after April 19th, which I think is going to be a really interesting contract to watch. That is because of the French elections are over that contract. So there'll be something interesting. See, option vol, after getting obliterated last night, up again. So there's been a nice little vol uptick today. Again, doesn't feel like anything major. The Fed's meeting this week, so there's some things going on, but it just doesn't feel like there's a huge vol push. I don't see a major move in the vol futures, but vol is higher than where it was yesterday. I think 1410 was maybe the high in the future yesterday. We're going to probably see 1415, 1420, something like that before all is said and done. And, I don't know if S&P futures are going to stay down, but feels like we're destined for some sort of pressure today. All right, folks, if you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or you can call me 888-TRADE-01. Again, feels like we might end here, but we might have a trip lower before all is said and done, especially ahead of the Fed. There's some good reason to take maybe a little money off. All right, everybody. Have a great morning.